With its warm climate, beautiful beaches, and relaxed lifestyle, it's easy to see why many people choose to spend their golden years in Florida. But before you pack your bags, it's important to understand how Florida's tax laws could impact your retirement finances. Here are 8 key Florida tax rules retirees need to know. Florida is one of the few states that doesn't collect a state income tax. Whether you receive income from a pension, retirement account, or other investments, none of it will be taxed at the state level. Florida's average effective property tax rate is about 0.82%, placing it in the middle of the national rankings. That may sound low, but with Florida's rising home values, the actual tax bills can add up. Florida residents don't pay state taxes on capital gains. Whether you profit from stocks, bonds, or other investments, you won't owe anything extra to the state. This can help retirees preserve more of their investment income. Florida does not tax Social Security benefits. While most states already leave these earnings alone, this is another area where Florida makes it easier for seniors to keep more of what they earn. Florida does not have an estate or inheritance tax. This means you can pass along your assets to loved ones without worrying about state taxes reducing the value of your estate. Florida has a base sales tax rate of 6%. Local municipalities may add a bit more depending on where you live. Some categories, like electricity, are taxed at a slightly higher rate of 6.95%. A few items, such as the American and Florida state flags, are exempt from sales tax altogether. While not directly aimed at retirees, it's good to know that Florida's fuel tax is 39 cents per gallon, which is below the national average of around 51 cents. If you plan to drive often or road trip in retirement, you may see modest savings at the pump. One of the perks of living in a no-income tax state is not having to file a separate state tax return. If you don't earn income in other states, your tax filing process could be simpler overall. While Florida offers several tax advantages that could make your retirement more affordable, it's also important to consider the full picture, including property values, sales tax, and fuel costs, before making the move. Understanding these rules can help you make the most of your retirement dollars.